For more information, please refer to your owner's manual. This dishwasher is specifically designed to be used with Rinse-Aid for improved drying performance and controlling buildup of hard water deposits to help optimize your drying and wash performance. Rinse-Aid will need to be added to your dishwasher every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage. Be sure to always place pre-measured detergents in the main compartment and close the lid. Use of a dishwasher cleaning product such as affresh dishwasher cleaner can help to remove the residue. Monthly use of affresh dishwasher cleaner is recommended to help maintain the dishwasher.